Hello everyone and welcome to this brand new episode on our YouTube channel Rescoli by Carlo. During the time of our absence, we did a lot of things. We had a lot of commission work. We spent practically 2 months doing courses, workshops. We had the beginners, intermediate and advanced, and I'm glad to say that all our participants did excellent jobs. You can follow all these transformations on our Facebook page, which is obviously Rescoli by Carlo. But today, the video, this episode, is all about Christmas 2022. What were we up to and what did we do? We changed the shop completely, and instead of having just a display in our window, we practically went from outside to the inside. Let's have a look. Let me give you a small interpretation of what our Christmas ensemble means. First of all, we were inspired by the 3 wise men, the 3 kings. In fact, our window is called this year Rex, which in Latin means king. And the 3 colors that we have chosen for these 3 wise men are gold, silver and blue. And you can see it even in the fabric we used. We started the fabric in gold, silver and blue from the window, and we went right through the shop. So when you come in, you are literally engulfed by the Christmas decorations. On our bedside table we have the 3 gifts, let's say the original or the stylish gifts that are usually associated with the 3 wise men. Then on the other side we have a crib, and this crib is practically 65 years old. And Henry, my partner, mainly was brought up when he was born. He was put in this crib, so it is quite vintage piece, and we decided to decorate it with all the baubles. We did some blue lighting inside, which you can see once you visit our shop, and also we put 3 gifts, and this also resembles the 3 wise men idea. And then we added a lot of angel wings because we love angels, so we had to add 1 angel and many wings. And during the process we also painted, we changed the cash table. We also painted the back of the shop. We went into a smooth and nice white to give this idea of depth and also of purity. And obviously we're talking about Christmas, we're talking about the nativity, we're talking about what the religious part of these celebrations means. And also we added a lot of candles, because candles symbolize light, and light also represents Jesus Christ. But then, on the other hand, we also used the festive part. That's why we put like practically 6 gifts. The 3 gifts that were given to baby Jesus, as we know, through the New Testament, and also the gifts that we give to our loved ones during these festivities. I hope you liked this particular episode. I hope you like our Christmas decorations. We invite you to come at our shop to say hello and share our greetings for a better 2023. From here, we wish you a lot of pleasant things, health, peace, and love the next time. Ta-ta!